welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. Today's Tuesday, and for today's video I have a thrift haul for you guys, and I have been working like crazy trying to get everything ready, cleaned up, priced, and packed for our event that we have coming up this weekend. And what you see before you, some of this is actually going to be going in my booth, so I wanted to show it to you before I got a chance to wash it and put it away. So I went on Sunday by myself because it was Father's Day, so my husband went fishing with our son, and I got to go out on a junk run, and I hit 4 Goodwills, and another couple different thrift stores, and honestly, I came away with hardly anything. Luckily, I have a good friend who is one of the people who run an auction house close to me, and her garage is packed full of things, and she's been wanting to get rid of some of it. So she gave me a whole bunch of stuff at her cost. And I was able to kind of pick through her garage. She actually had some stuff because I told her we were kind of looking for vintage items. And so when I pulled up in her driveway, she already had a stack of stuff ready to go. So I ended up paying $173 to her for all of the items that I got out of her garage. There are a few pieces of furniture that I've already unloaded at home. So I'm just going to tack some pictures of those on the end of this video so you can see them. One's a desk with a vanity mirror, one's a dresser with a beautiful mirror, and then one's a little sewing box, and so you kind of see that, and then the rest of it is here. And so I am going to show you these items really quick and let you see all of the cool things, and some of these, like I said, will be going straight into our booth this weekend. So I'll just kind of start on this end, and unfortunately I don't know the exact prices that I paid for some of these things because she just kind of tallied everything up in her head. So I got this cloche from her. It's really cool. It's metal, kind of crusty a little bit, and I'm really excited to, this is definitely going in my booth. If I had to guess, I'd say she probably charged me a couple dollars for it. So I grabbed that. And then all of these things, this cute little thing, I think she also charged me $3 for. It was made in Japan. It's just a cute little footstool. Normally, I would paint this and do something fun with it. For right now, I'm just going to clean it up and put it in our vintage booth. And if it doesn't sell and I end up bringing it home, you'll probably see it in a thrift to treasure or thrift flip at some point. So, but I grabbed this, like I said, I think it was $3 as well. Then there were a bunch of boxes and drawers and just kind of architectural things to stick in the booth and have just kind of to add that wood look. And so I think she charged me $1 for all of these. So just little boxes. This looks like a little drawer that came out of maybe a dresser or a vanity or something. And then there's this one, just kind of an old like wooden toolbox you could use it for. And there were all of these, again, just cute little, and if, like I said, I'm going to take these the way they are, and if they don't sell, I might bring them back and do something fun with them at some point, but for right now, I just thought they'd make kind of cool architectural little pieces in our box. This one's a cute little, looks like it, this one probably came from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. This cute little wooden crate, again, probably from Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and same with this. But for now, they're going to go in, and we've got like old flour sack cloths and burlap and things like that, and these will be kind of cool, and then we can put books or birds or something cute to make a vignette with these. So that's the plan. Then these, I think she charged me, I think it was like $10 for the set of these. So this one does not have a lid, but it has a handle. And then of course this one has a lid, and this one has a lid and a handle. So I thought these were neat. And again, they're just going to go in our booth as is. If they don't sell, there's a potential that I could at some point maybe put a cute transfer on the front of a couple of these. So we'll see. Then she had 2 scales. I think these were $5 each. They definitely need a little bath, but they both work. One is a little, I'll just put this one down. One is a little bit bigger than the other. Better use 2 hands. So there's this one as well. I just thought these were neat, and again, just kind of a cool, different, you know, just a metal, the kind of a galvanized look to them. Just brings a lot more texture and whatnot into the booth. So these should be fun. And then there were these two big guys. So this one she charged me $15 for. Oh, and it's super heavy, old toolbox. Been around for a long, long time. It's got a lot of nice old patina to it, some wear. I'm not going to change this up at all. I'm just going to put it in the booth as is. And I'll probably put like $40 or $50 on it. So hopefully I can make a little money. And then this one is humongous. And it's got a crack down the middle, the board split. But I still think it's such a cool piece, and she only charged me $5 for this. And if nothing else, this will be great for stacking like maybe frames or something in, because it will keep them from sliding forward. So if nothing else, we'll just use it in the booth. But I'm going to give it a bath and put it in the booth. So there's that. Oh, I'm sorry if it seems like I'm being kind of speedy today, you guys, but I still have a bunch of stuff to pull and enter into the computer system, price, and then pack today. So lots to do. And then there was this cute little drawer. It has a little handle on it that's just adorable. So I grabbed that too. Then let's see. This is one of the few items I found at Goodwill. Their blue tags were half off, and this will go beautifully with some of the silver that I've already got. So they had it originally at $5.99, and so I got to pay $3 for it. My math is not good today, you guys. So there's that. So $3 on that. This is another thing I got at Goodwill. I loved this, you guys. This was $1.99. It has this beautiful texture to it. The lid comes off. There's nothing wrong with it. And it's got these adorable little feet. And I think this is just the cutest thing. This is something I'm not going to be putting in the booth right now. I'm going to keep this back and eventually do a thrift flip with this. I think it'll be great painted. I haven't decided if I want to do like a dry brush technique over this design or how I want to finish it yet, but I will think of something, but I just thought it was pretty. So I grabbed that. This was one of the items that was in her garage. She charged me $2 for it. Definitely needs some new fabric. It's coming apart, very tattered. And it has a cord. And I'm thinking, when I take this apart, my guess is there's a heating pad in here. So I want to see if it works. So it'll be interesting to know. I will definitely let you guys know if it works. It's got some loose legs. I'm not going to take it immediately. This is something that'll also stay back for me to add into a thrift flip at some point. But I thought the bones were super cute. Just really needs a lot of help, and I'll spend some time and get it all fixed up and pretty at some point. This was in with this. And let's see, I think there was this and this. So all of these little galvanized things, this is just a little metal wall pocket, a little galvanized pail, an old aluminum teapot, no lid on this. But this would be a perfect planter for outside. Just fill it with some dirt, poke a couple holes in the bottom, and you can plant succulents or a little annual in this. So really cute for the garden. And I think she charged me like $1 for each one of these. And then this one, again, probably a little Hobby Lobby piece, but I think, again, she charged me $1 for it. So there was that. Running out of room. And then let's see, this little cherub she just kind of threw in there. I just thought he was cute. He's got a little chip right here in his little fingers, but I will probably give this a paint job. And I have another cherub that's a wall hanger, and so I might just paint them up together in one of my thrift flip videos. We'll see. So grab that. And then let's see what else. This is really cool. I haven't done a Google Lens thing on it, but it's ironstone, and it says salt on the front, and it's made to hang on the wall, it looks like. I just thought it was really cool, and I think she charged me $5 for this. So there's that. Then a Goodwill find. Oh, I forgot about the bird cage. So this one was $4.99. It's a cute little wooden chest. Nothing inside, which I absolutely love. It makes it so much easier to upcycle, and it's in great shape, and it's a nice size and weight. So this one I paid $5 for. Definitely a thrift flippable item for down the road. Then the little bird cage that was inside, I just thought was cute. I love the metal. This was a blue tag. They originally had this at $6, you guys. So since it was blue tag, it was only $3. So I went ahead and grabbed that. I might actually clean this up and take it with us to put in our booth. Just because little metal pieces like this, even if they aren't super vintage, are just cute to have with all the rest of this metal, just to kind of add another color and another textural element into the booth. So we'll see. That's kind of the plan. Oh, I got these two at the Goodwill. They were $1.99 each. They're Christmas, which is fine. They're Lenox, which I love. So definitely worth $1.99 each, and I'll just put these away after I wash them for Christmas. So, and then let's see. This I thought was awesome. It is cast iron. So it weighs probably 20 pounds. It's just a little candle house or whatever. Yeah. And it looks like the little latch is kind of a little wonky, but for $5.99, I just thought this was so cool. It's got a hanger. I don't know if there's a shepherd's hook on the planet that could actually hold this baby, but it would be super cute on your porch or out in the garden even. So I went ahead and grabbed that. Pillar holders. I've been looking for pillar holders, but honestly, the prices at Goodwill have been just obnoxious on a lot of their pillar holders. Even these were originally $4.99 and $3.99. They were blue tags, so they were half off, which is the only reason I went ahead and got them, because they're really not super pretty. They're just kind of plain Jane, but with some paint and a little bit of wax, they will probably be a nice addition to a vignette. So I grabbed those, and again, this one was $2.50 and this one was $2 with the discount. This teapot I thought was stinking cute. It's just the prettiest color. And it's from World Market, so it's nothing old or vintage or anything like that, but I just loved the color. It was only $2.99, so I thought it was definitely worth the price that they were asking to put out in the shop. So I grabbed that too. And then these were the only item I picked up at one of the Goodwills. I went in and I looked and looked, didn't find much, but I found these. I thought they were super cool. They're bookends. It's a bicycle, obviously, and they were only $1.99 each. Well, when I got them up to the counter, the gal's like, these should have been priced as a set. She said, I'm going to give them both to you for $1.99. So she did. So I got the set of bookends for $1.99. I honestly think these are something that I'm going to take the little bike off and repaint the wood and the seat so that they match, and then put it all back together again, just to give it a little bit more color. So what do you guys think? Should I paint it or should I just leave it as is? Let me know what you think. Anyway, and then where are we? Pumpkins. You guys know that I'm always on the lookout for Christmas and pumpkins all year long. This was $1.99. It's just cute with the little metal leaves. I won't make a ton of money on it, but it's so nice to have these in with my fall vignette. So I grabbed it. And then this little thing I thought was cool. It is, it's a box. And so honestly, I had no idea, and I went to pull it off the top shelf and I just about dropped it because I was not ready for it to open. But I thought it was so cute. And just a sweet little way to, maybe you could keep your little gardening gloves in here. You could use it for seed storage. Anyway, I should probably quit opening and closing it, but I thought it was just really sweet. So I grabbed this, and it was only $4.99. So quite the steal. And then the piece of furniture that I actually brought back to the cottage with me because it just needs a bath. And then it's just going to go right into the booth for now. If it doesn't sell this weekend, I will probably bring it back. But this is one that I will strip and restain. This is not getting painted. This is a pie table. You guys have probably seen these. It's in great shape. It is sturdy as all get out, and it was $35. So I am going to clean this up really well and put it in the booth and see if I can make a little money on it. So we'll see what happens with it. But I thought it was absolutely gorgeous, and like I said, just really sturdy. There's not a thing wrong with it. It's got a few age spots and a few scratches, but other than that, it's in great shape. Anyway, that is it. Stay tuned for the pictures of the desk and the dresser and the other little sewing box that I got. Those will be next. Well, that's it from here for today, you guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I so appreciate that. And if you haven't already, please think about subscribing to my channel and then hit the little notification bell so you can follow along with all the craziness that ensues here at my cottage. And then don't forget to comment below and let me know which of the items today in my haul your favorite was. I always like to know what you guys think of the things that I find. So let me know in the comments below. And then for Friday, I will more than likely have the dresser there for you guys. So it'll be the furniture flip of the dresser I've been working on. But I'm also hoping to get some video of the setup and the booth at Vintage Market Days. So it could be a little bit of a mix. It could be all the Vintage Market Days. We'll just kind of see how my week plays out. At this point, everything's just kind of up in the air. So, but it will be something. I will have something interesting and fun for you guys on Friday. So I hope you'll join me back here for that. Until then, I hope you have a fantastic week, and thank you so much for being here. Bye. Don't forget to like and comment and no, I don't want to say that. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, please remember to thumbs it up. No, don't want to say that. Well, I hope you guys liked today's video. I hope you did, and if you did, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel so you can follow all along.